Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting and important because in this video we are going to discuss about data science and artificial intelligence jobs. Why are these jobs high paid? And we are going to discuss how freshers and experienced candidates can get the best out of from this particular field. So we are going to discuss how you can get a job, what would be the path to study AI and data science. We will discuss everything in detail in our today's video. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. Now, before moving forward, I want to tell you important statistics about the data science career. So now the first important thing is that the demand for data science positions, that is the job growth from 2021 to 2031, it is expected to increase at 41.90%. Yes, guys, you heard it right. 41.9% is the job increase that is going to be there for AI and machine learning along with the data science jobs.
And that is the reason you should have the right technical skills, you should have the right technical knowledge and the right technical tools that will help you to get a high paying job in data science and AI field. And that is the reason why we have created this video with 360 digit mg, which will help you to transform your career in data science and AI. Let us discuss about that. So guys, 360 Digit MG is offering a data science and deep learning course, that is professional data science and AI course with placement assistance. This is in collaboration with one of the biggest IT company, that is Microsoft. And here you will be getting training from the Fortune top 20 college and universities, that is ISB and IITs. More than 300 hours of interactive online sessions and 300 plus hours of practical assignments, which is very essential for you to get a good job. Here you will also get 10 hours of machine learning operations, advanced techniques and tools. Along with that, you will also get 10 hours of data engineering, foundational concepts and practical applications. And one of the most important part for you to learn is that when you learn something, you need to apply it. And that is where 360 Digit MG is helping all the students, because they are providing 2+2 capstone live projects that the student has to build during this entire course. They have a tie-up with 150 plus companies like Deloitte, IBS, etc. to provide the placement assistance, and they have received more than 3,472 learners till now. What you have to do is you have to simply click over here and write your name, your mobile number, your email ID, your current location, and just click on enroll now. Who can sign up basically for this project, right? So people who are aspiring to be data scientists, AI experts, business analysts, data analytics developers, graduates who are looking for career in data science field, machine learning, forecasting and AI, professionals who want to migrate towards the IT, that is data science, and along with the academicians and researchers. Now students entering the IT industry also do not have a lot of knowledge about this field, so these people also can register for this program. Okay, now as you all know, I will give the link in the description box so that you can go through it. Okay, you can understand each and every fundamental thing. Okay, now you might be wondering and you might be curious about what is the syllabus that they're going to teach. Okay, what are the training that they are going to provide? So let me start first with the Python, which is most important for data science and deep learning. The here you will be having multiple things, right? Introduction, data types, operators. You will be learning everything about Python over here: functions, loop, conditional statements, modules, file handling, exception handling, multi-threading, lot of things, right? Then comes the most used part, that is the SQL. Okay, here also you'll be learning a lot of things. Here you can see the syllabus, database, MySQL, everything. Okay, along with that you will be getting a lot of other concepts, right? Different between SQL, no SQL, and a lot of other things. Now comes the data science part. This starts over here. So there are some preliminaries that you have to go through. Then you will be having crisp ML, okay, that is business and data understanding. Then you have data pre-processing. Then you have EDA, which stands for exploratory data analytics. Feature engineering, Power BI, which is one of the most important tool for all the data analysts and data scientists, right? Data mining, unsupervised learning, mathematical foundations. Here you'll be learning a lot about matrices, linear algebra, data optimization, derivatives, lot of other things. So if you're a fresher or if you are a student who is recently graduated, you might feel that this is little bit of overwhelming. This can be a lot of things for you, but definitely the training pattern that they follow at 360 digit mg, it is very easy. Okay, so here you will be also learning about the dimension reduction, association rules, network analysis, text mining, natural language processing. Okay, lot of other things, bunch of things where you will be getting a job. Okay, you'll be getting a job with all those things that you have learned. So this has become very important. Now, artificial intelligence syllabus. Okay, so now they have also added three different modules, that is deep learning for time series, generative AI, and transformers, which is the like red hot cake right now. Okay, so prompt engineering also you will be learning in this course. Along with that, artificial intelligence syllabus, here you will be having this interesting thing, that is black box method, like perception or multi-layer perceptron. Okay, basically deep learning primer, lot of new things. These things are not even taught in other courses. Okay guys, so that is the reason it becomes very important for you to go ahead and look for 360 digit TMG. Okay, here you will be getting a lot of things. Now they also have a Tableau course syllabus. Okay, basically, so there are different modules that you can register to. Okay, I hope that this point is clear. Now along with that, if I have to tell you that you will also get like why 360 digit TMG. Okay, basically for artificial intelligence and data science course, so you will be getting job assistance in data science and AI, complementary courses, unlimited mock interview and quiz sessions. Guys, trust me, this is very important. Whenever you are appearing for interviews, you should have a practice of giving mock interviews and doing the quiz. Okay, and then you will have 24/7 support, offline hiring events, hand-on experience with the live projects, live free webinars, resume and LinkedIn review sessions. This is again very important. Your resume should be like ATS friendly. Okay, your LinkedIn profile should be appropriate enough so that you can get enough calls from the HRs. Okay, additional assignments of over 300 plus hours. So all these things you'll be getting with 360 digit MG. Okay, here you can see that their alumni are working at HTC, Air India, Verizon, PepsiCo, LNT, Accenture, Deloitte, Vertusa, Astro, IBS Software, Hitachi, Korean Air, Santrum, okay, RHB, Malaysia Airlines, okay, a lot of other places. So what are you waiting for? Simply go ahead. I have already given the link in the description box. You can register for this like course, and you can register yourself by adding simply your name, your mobile number, your email, and your current location. Okay, so they have trainers from all over the top fortune colleges and universities like ISB, IITs, NITs, and a lot of other things, right? So a lot of people have already, a lot of students, a lot of working professionals have already registered for this course. Now it is your time to shine, and it is your time to register yourself and get a course that will help you to nurture your career, that will help you to get exponential growth in your career. So what are you waiting for? Register right now. The link is in the description box, and don't forget to share this video with all of your friends. This will be helpful for them as well. Thank you again for watching this entire video, guys. All the links are in the description box below. Do register and enroll right now.